Experience driving perfection in the 2009 Acura MDX. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 300 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Acura prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including variably intermittent wipers, heated seats, automatic temperature control, skid plates, and power seats. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Premium sound drives 8 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.